Oh no, the market's crashed. What are we going to do? Well, you may have heard that loads of people are panicking about the market and everything's going down and everyone's pulling out, everyone's stressing about it. Well, in this video, I want to talk about the 5 main things that you can do to stop panicking about the market and things to improve on. So before I get into it, please subscribe, it'll help out a lot. And let's get into the 5 main points on how to help you. Right, let's look at the past for number one. The market's always crashed in the past, doesn't it? It crashed 2008, it crashed in 2020, hasn't it? The Great Depression was very common for the stock market crashing, wasn't it? But if you look, it always goes back, everything always recovers. So don't stress about it. Keep in it, don't stress, because just look at history. History repeats itself. Goes downhill for ages, and then it always goes back up. So keep that in mind and keep positive and just stay in the game. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Point number two, don't sell in panic. Now, see the stock market crash as you buy an iPhone, okay? The iPhone is £1,000, you say. But then you get pressure to sell it and you sell it for £500, right? You know, you made a terrible decision because you were nervous and you panicked, which is fine. But think about the upside. Remember that investing is a long-term game, okay? Really good investors invest a lot more and they keep hold of their stocks, even though it's going downhill, because things are a lot cheaper then, isn't it? So they go and grab loads more stocks because they know one day it's going to go up. So be a smart investor and keep calm and buy more stocks because it's always going to go back up. See it as a really good sale, but use it to your advantage. Point number three, focus on what you can control. Now, yeah, the stock market, you can't do much about that. You know, you can control whether it goes up or if it goes down. But one thing you can control is your spending, how much you invest. You can focus on this. So rather than doom scrolling, maybe you can go and, you know, look at your budget, create an emergency fund for the worst case scenarios. You know, prepare for what can happen. So then when the stock market does go down or goes up, you're fully prepared. So don't worry about what you can't control and be aware of what can happen and do something about it for worst case scenarios, right? Point number four, remember why you invested in the first place. You might be all worried because of the media saying, oh no, the stock market's crashed. But remember, you're not investing for quick money, you're investing for the long term, aren't you? So you're probably waiting to invest in 10, 20, 30 years, 40 maybe. Not now. So don't worry about what the market's doing, because in 30, 40, 50 years time, when you do eventually put up, the market's going to be fine. So stop worrying about now. Everything's going to be okay. Stop worrying. It will be fine. Trust me. Like I said, look at the history, look now, look at the future, okay? Think about why you're investing. You're going to be a long-term investor, not short-term investor. Think about the future and don't worry, because you know in the future you'll worry about it then. But now you're not pulling out. You're not planning on pulling out. So stay strong, and it will be worth it. And finally, point number five: see it as an opportunity. Now, like I said earlier, the stocks are going down in value, so see it as a really good sell market, like a Black Friday. See it as that. See it as an opportunity to buy loads more stocks, because everything's going to be a lot cheaper. So when the market does finally eventually start to grow, then all the other stocks that you bought for such a small margin and, you know, small profit are going to start to slowly compound in interest above the stocks that have already gone down. So you can have more stocks for a lot lower price than what it would normally be. So see it as a massive opportunity. See, all it is about the stock market is about your mindset. If you can have these 5 principles and remember all of these, then you'll be fine in stock market. Just remember, it's patience and a long-term investing game, okay? Remember that. Now, if any of this helped, please subscribe. That would mean the world to me. Like and subscribe and comment down below what you think. And hopefully your money's safe soon.